Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. From our studios in Jimmy, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at the surface analysis here with Dominica in the green circle, we can see three tropical waves being analyzed in the Atlantic. This wave here just off the east, expected to approach the area by tonight into tomorrow, Saturday. And this second wave in the central Atlantic, expected to approach the area by late Sunday and into Monday. And also this third wave just off the coast of Africa, expected to approach the area sometime by the middle of next week. Let's take a look at the moisture associated with these waves. Here we can see the moisture, Dominica in the green circle here. Here we can see the moisture associated with that first wave as it moves closer to the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica. And this is expected to spread some moisture across the island, resulting in an increase in cloudiness with scattered showers and a chance for isolated thunderstorms and gusty winds. Now this wave here in the central Atlantic, expected to approach the area by around Monday, and then you can see in purple, which means that there's a significant amount of moisture associated with that wave, expected by late Sunday into Monday. And this third wave here out in the far eastern Atlantic near the coast of Africa, expected to approach the area sometime by the middle of next week. So we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise caution, as we expect to see an increased chance for shower activity beginning tomorrow or late tonight into tomorrow morning, Saturday, and also by late Sunday into Monday due to this wave. Now let's take a look at the Saharan area or Saharan Dust. Here we can see the movement of Saharan Dust based on model projection as it moves closer to the Lesser Antilles. Here we can see an increase in Saharan Dust across the area, and we're advising people with respiratory sensitivities to be on alert and to exercise caution due to the presence of Saharan dust. And this here shows the area of that tropical wave as it moves closer to the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica. And there's a reduction in Saharan dust here due to the presence of moisture associated with that tropical wave. And this is the area of that second tropical wave here, as moisture continues as the Saharan dust continues to interact with moisture and interact with that tropical wave. And following the passage of that second tropical wave, we expect to see an increase in Saharan dust by around Tuesday. So again, people with respiratory sensitivities, be on alert and exercise caution, as we expect to see some variation in Saharan dust concentration over the next few days. Now let's take a look at earlier satellite imagery. Here we can see this area of cloudiness associated with a tropical wave, which also includes some thunderstorm cells within that area here. So this is expected to produce an increase in thunderstorm activity as it approaches the area. Here is Dominica in the green circle. So this area of cloudiness is the first tropical wave that we are concerned about, which is expected to move into the area during tonight and into tomorrow morning, bringing an increase in cloudiness with scattered showers, which could be light to moderate at times, isolated thunderstorms possible, and also gusty winds. So again, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks, be on alert and exercise caution. And this is the area of that second tropical wave, expected to approach the area by late Sunday and into Monday. So this tropical wave seems to have a significant amount of moisture associated with it at this time as it moves closer to the Lesser Antilles. We will be monitoring these waves as they approach the region and keep you updated. Now taking a closer look here, we can see that Dominica did experience an increasing cloudiness over the past few hours, and this resulted in mostly cloudy skies across the island. Now taking a look at earlier radar imagery, you can see that Dominica did experience some scattered showers which were light to moderate across most of the island during today, with some significant showers being observed across the south as this tropical wave moves into the area, beginning to affect the southern portion of the island chain. Now tonight's weather is expected to be mostly cloudy and slightly hazy with scattered showers and a chance for isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures expected to be down to 24 degrees Celsius on the coast and 22 degrees Celsius in the interior. And tomorrow we are at yellow vigilance. That means you should be aware that severe weather could affect you, as we expect conditions to be cloudy to overcast at times with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms and gusty winds due to the approach of that tropical wave. Temperatures expected to be up to 30 degrees Celsius on the coast and 29 degrees Celsius in the interior. Again, we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks, be on alert and exercise caution, as we expect to see an increased chance for showers across the area. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking up to 7 feet. High tide tomorrow will be at 5:08 a.m. and 6:10 p.m. and low tide will be at 11:58 a.m. and 11:29 p.m. For the next 3 days beginning tomorrow, an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms and gusty winds. And also we can expect to see some slight haze across the area. So again, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks, be on alert and exercise caution during tomorrow. A reduction in moisture levels can be expected on Sunday. However, there still exists the chance for some showers and isolated thunderstorms. However, by late Sunday, we expect to see an increase in cloudiness, scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that second tropical wave, with conditions becoming mostly cloudy, overcast, with scattered showers which could be light to moderate at times, and isolated thunderstorms, and also gusty winds expected by Monday due to the approach of that second tropical wave. So again, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks, be on alert and exercise caution during the passage of these two tropical waves. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking about 5 feet up to 7 feet during the 3-day period. A slight deterioration in sea conditions can be expected due to the presence of showers, thunderstorm activity and gusty winds. So again, small craft operators, sea beavers, you're advised to exercise caution during the passage of these waves as well. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:46 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:38 p.m. Remember, stay informed, stay safe. Scan our QR code here. Follow us on our WhatsApp channel. Also visit our website at weather.gov.dm and also search Dominica Met to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well here. Stay informed, stay safe, continue to monitor. Have a good weekend as we monitor the progress of these tropical waves. Take care.